I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sullins with a look at your most accurate forecast. A winter heat wave here in the valley, and we are now off to the second warmest start to the month on record. These records date all the way back to the late 1800s. The warmest start to February is back in 1963, but now we are in 2016, are in second place with an average temperature of 65.3 degrees. That's an average of our early morning lows and our daytime highs. So let's take a look here at this winter heat wave. We are off to a warm start. 86 was our high today, 1 degree shy of the record. Tomorrow, we're going to easily break the record of 83, and on Friday, easily break that record of 84 degrees as temperatures continue to climb into the upper 80s. Let's take a look at what to expect over the next several days, and this is in terms of how far above normal we are. Highs running at least 15 degrees above normal, if not more, for the next 5 days, and even beyond that. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast in just minutes, you're going to see that this trend is going to continue through at least the middle of next week. But here's a look at your commuter forecast. Tomorrow morning, off to a cool start, upper 40s to mid 50s. Those going home temperatures, though, in the mid 80s, and we're going to be setting some records across the valley here. Here's a look hour by hour. We start out at 54 degrees in Phoenix at 6 a.m., 67 by 10, into the 70s by noon, and then we'll see those highs reach the upper 80s, mid to upper 80s across the valley into that afternoon forecast. 88 will be your high in Apache Junction, 85 in Mesa, 86 in Tempe, and 82 in Cave Creek. Temperatures in the West Valley also unseasonably warm. Peoria will hit 85. Glendale tops out at 86, with Litchfield Park and Luke Air Force Base seeing highs at 84 degrees. Across the state, up to the north, freezes tonight along the rim, northeast to the Four Corners, all of these areas in the 20s, even freezing 20s near Payson, and Prescott will freeze at 30 degrees. But high temperatures in these spots tomorrow, very warm as well. Spots like Prescott, Sedona, and Payson, which normally do not see highs in the 70s this time of year, will be in the 70s. Flagstaff's going to hit 63, Show Low at 64, and lots of 80s across central and southern Arizona tomorrow afternoon. For the Phoenix area, again, we're going to keep those highs in the upper 80s for Friday, for Saturday, even into Sunday. We're going to see a subtle drop by about a degree, but that's still going to break the record that day of 85 degrees. You can see those records each day in your 7-day forecast. If we're not breaking them, we're within a degree of them as this winter heat wave continues.